Welcome everyone. This exercise will guide you through downloading the JCAATs AI Audit software, retrieving your machine's Windows UUID code, and submitting your application for the trial software. Let's move on to the exercises that will help you achieve those goals. We'll take this step by step to ensure everyone is on track. Exercise 1. Generate your JCAATs machine key. Next, we'll generate your unique machine key for activating JCAATs. This step is crucial, and I'll be here to help if you encounter any issues. Exercise 2. Download and install the JCAATs software. Finally, we'll download and install the JCAATs AI Audit software. I'll walk you through the installation process to make sure everything works smoothly. This exercise will guide you through downloading the JCAATs AI Audit software, obtaining your machine's Windows UUID code, and submitting your application for the trial software. After logging into the AI Audit Institute platform, you will see the interface displayed. Step 1.1. Download the JCAATs AI Audit software. Locate the Download button on the course interface, click the Free Trial Software button, highlighted in orange. Step 1.2. Submit your application. Fill out general information. Name, enter your full name. Organization, enter your company or institution name. Email, this is your account email and cannot be changed. Enter your system information. Operating system, select Windows. UUID code, this unique code links the software activation to your machine. We will guide you through the process of retrieving the UUID from your machine in the next several steps. JCAATs AI Audit software requires a 64-bit Windows operating system. Please ensure your system meets the necessary requirements. Follow these steps to retrieve the UUID. Open Command Prompt. Press the Windows key and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Retrieve UUID code in the Command Prompt window. Type volume. Press Enter. In Step 1.5, we will identify your machine's UUID code, which is essential for activating the JCAATs software. You'll see a result volume serial number is 4x4x. The volume serial number, highlighted in the example as 685F92FB, is your machine's UUID code. Copy this volume serial number, UUID code. Step 1.6, complete the application form. Enter required information. Name, organization, and email, fill in the respective fields. UUID code, paste the UUID code retrieved from Command Prompt. Operating system, select Windows. Submit the application. Double-check all details for accuracy. Click Apply to submit. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the application process for the JCAATs trial software. Review confirmation details, machine code, UUID code. Expiration date, for example, March 15, 2025. Operating system. You can now download the required files. In Exercise 2, we're going to install the JCAATs AI Audit software on your Windows computer. Before installing the JCAATs AI Audit software, let's make sure your system meets the necessary requirements. Supported operating systems, JCAATs is compatible with Microsoft Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit. Mac OS V10 above. Why 64-bit? A 64-bit environment allows JCAATs to handle larger datasets and perform more complex computations efficiently. Step 2.1. Download required files. Before beginning installation, download the necessary files. Software installer. Click the Download, Windows, button. Save the installer file to a location you can easily find, for example, Downloads folder. Credential key. Click the Credential key button. Save this file securely, it is required for activation. Installation guide, optional. For detailed instructions, click the Installation Guide button. Verify your downloads, ensure you have 1. Software installer, Windows. 2. Credential key. 3. Installation guide, optional. Important tip, do not rename or move the credential key after downloading, as it may cause activation issues. Step 2.2, run the JCAATs installer. Locate the installer. Find the file named JCAATs30installer-windows.exe. Run the installer. Double-click the file to start installation. If prompted by User Account Control, UAC. Verify the publisher is Jacksoft Commerce Automation Limited. Click Yes to proceed. Follow on-screen prompts. The installer will guide you through the process. Troubleshooting: if blocked, verify the publisher details or consult your IT administrator. Step 2.3. Select installation language. Language selection. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down. Default is English. Confirm selection. Click OK to proceed. Step 2.4. Welcome message. Welcome screen confirms that installation is about to begin. Preparation: close other applications to avoid conflicts. Proceed, click Next to continue. Step 2.5. Accept license agreement. Read the agreement, review the terms and conditions. Accept the terms, select I accept the agreement to proceed. Click Next. Step 2.6. Begin installation. Ready to install, confirm setup details on the screen. Start installation, click Install. Note: do not close the installer during this process. Installation time: the installation may take a few moments. Be sure not to close the installer or shut down your computer during this process. Step 2.7. Complete installation. You will see a confirmation message. Click Finish to close the installer. In Step 2.8, locate the shortcut. On your desktop, you should see a shortcut icon for the JCAATs AI Audit software. The icon will look like the one shown on the left. Launching JCAATs, double-click the shortcut to open the software. If the icon appears broken or incorrect, as shown on the right, don't worry. This is a temporary issue that will resolve after restarting your machine. Alternatively, you can navigate to the installation location, c://JCAAT'/JCAAT'/s.exe and double-click the file to run the program. Step 2.9. JCAATs loading screen. Startup: a loading screen will appear with a green progress bar. Be patient, the first launch may take longer as the software initializes. Since the key has not been installed, the warning message below will appear when you run JCAATs for the first time. Please follow the steps to upload the key into JCAATs to activate the software. Warning message. You may see, J997, M invalid license. Please update key and help about. Step 2.11. Find the interface for credential key. You will need to upload your credential key by following these steps. 1. Navigate to Help greater than About. To select the credential key file you downloaded earlier, in the About JCAATs dialog, click Update Key. In Step 2.13, select the credential key. When prompted to select the credential key, a file dialog will appear. You need to select the credential key file to complete the activation of JCAATs. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded your key file. By default, it is located in your Downloads folder. Look for a key file named with your name or company name. In this example, the file is named jacksoft.key. Select the key file and click Open to upload it to JCAATs. After successfully updating your credential key, you're now ready to finalize the activation of JCAATs. Click the OK button to close the About window. This will complete the setup and activation of JCAATs. After completing the credential key update, you will need to restart JCAATs. To close the software, go to Project Exit or use the shortcut Ctrl+F4. Double-click the JCAATs AI Audit software icon on your desktop again to reopen JCAATs. Verify credential key information. Go to Help About and confirm. Username, organization, software edition, version, and expiration date. Confirmation. If everything looks correct, click OK. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and activated JCAATs AI Audit software. You're now ready to leverage its powerful AI-driven features for your audit projects.